For some, it's baseball. For others, it's a bunny. And in India, they have Holi. In Japan, they have cherry blossoms. In England, they roll cheese. In Thailand, they have the Songkran Water Festival. And in Australia, they have flow reed. And in Central Asia, they have Nowruz. But in my house, things are just not that exciting. See, in New England, we have very long winters, and I like to start my spring with the same ritual every year. And that completes the migration of the snowblower to the basement for some much needed rest. Now I've got a lot of cleanup work to do around here, so it's still far too early to move the coolers and the beach chairs up to the garage. So that's how I mark the start of spring here at my house. In terms of getting to the beach, baby steps. Baby steps, people.